Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 17. Of them, the wise, ever steadfast and devoted to the One, excels. For I am exceedingly dear to the wise, and he is dear to me.
Chapter 7, Shloka 17. Tesham jnani nityayukta eka bhaktir visishyate priyo hi jnani notyartam aham sacha mama priyah.
Chapter 7, Shloka 17. The self has the monopoly to supply the dynamism to all men. Men who invoke the self for dynamism are classified under 4 different groups. A. Men who are dissatisfied even with the best to get relief from the spiritual distress which is threatening them within. B. Seekers of knowledge and understanding out of mere curiosity to know the nature of the self. C. Those who wish to fulfill their desires in some field of activity or the other. D. Those who want to end their separation and embrace the Lord, to be made one with Him, the Jnanis. Of these, which is the best is explained in this shloka. The Lord declares that amongst the above 4, the Jnani who has surrendered himself to the self with an integrated heart full of devotion without having any other aspiration is the best. Single pointedness is only possible when the goal of the meditator is fixed and steady. The aspiration to reach the self is unbroken and all out. This is only possible if there is no other extrovert demand of the lower nature in him. Devotion is measured by the amount of identification the lover has with the beloved. A Jnani is totally devoted to the self. There is no other object of devotion. He is totally unselfish. His love alone is true love. Lord declares that such a Jnani is dear to me. Since his devotion is pure, unselfish and total, the infinite and the eternal helplessly gets pulled toward him. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.